Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. I don't know if any of y'all watched the video, the crate full of 5 packs that I got and I put on. I've been doing videos with them. And this it right here is the last 2 5 packs out of that crate full. Here we got one from 1998 called the 50s Cruisers. And we got one from 1995, the 50s Favorites. Show these, see what we got. If you ain't watched the other ones, you need to go back and check them all out. Check them out at 164 Scale Racing. Bunch of old ones. But right now, we'll get started. Another one of them old good packs right here. See how they open up? Hot Wheels put a little money in their packs back then. That one's entirely different too. Look at it. Huh. But anyway, got the gift pack 50s Cruisers. Let's check this one out. It's an El Dorado. Hot Wheels El Dorado Cadillac. Hmm. With some long cars. It's pretty though. Looks like we got some kind of T-bird. Some kind of 57 Chevy, it looks like. Yeah, 57 Chevy. You got motor individual carburetors, looks like. Custom rod. Look like we got some kind of old 32 Ford rod or something like that. Yeah, 32 Ford. Yep. Got some kind of little motorcycle here. I'm not sure what it is. But anyway, that's all of the 50s Cruisers. And we're going to move on to the 50s Favorites. Like we got another Eldorado Cadillac. Black with silver flake in it. Red interior. And just like the other one, looks like we got another kind of T-bird. Paint job could have been a little better on this one, I believe. Yeah, it looks like it's got some kind of Chevy Nomad or something. Don't say. Just like a Nomad. Yeah, like we got another 57 Chevy. Bright yellow. Got the individual carbs in the motor, looks like. And then last, got old 50 something models pickup truck. Old Chevy truck. Don't say exactly what year model it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed them. Check out the other videos I made out of the crates if you didn't. Bunch of old cars, old 5 packs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll be back with more. Thank you, guys.